Hello, welcome to TCL Tutorials. Stream media straight from your phone. Use your phone as a remote control. Clone your laptop screen to the bigger one. Watch YouTube and Netflix straight from any device on the TV screen. There are 3 ways of using Chromecast from your laptop. Make sure that your TCL Android TV and laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi. In the upper right corner, you can find Customize and Control Google Chrome. Click it. Now you can see Options list. Choose Cast. Click on the sources and expand the list. Choose whether you like to cast just a tab desktop file. Your TCL Android TV should be visible on the list. Click it to connect and enjoy more details on the bigger screen of your TCL Android TV. Cast tab. This way of casting shows the tab you're currently looking at in your Google Chrome on your TCL Android TV screen. Cast desktop. Thanks to this, your TCL Android TV becomes your way bigger laptop screen. It works the same way as HDMI or VGA cable. Cast file. This way of casting allows you to play files that are on your computer hard disk. First way. Choose Cast File. The window will show up. Choose audio-video file you want to cast and click Open. Movie video will play on your TCL Android TV screen. Cast file. Second way. Click the right button of the mouse on the file you want to cast. Choose Cast to, and the available devices will show up. Choose Android TV and the Cast to Device player will show up on your computer screen. Audio-video file will start to play automatically on your TCL Android TV screen. Done. Thank you for watching. If you want to get more information, visit us at tcl.com.